Now, at a time when the entire nation is going through such turbulent times due to the COVID resurgence, NGOs have stepped up to help the poor in Bengaluru. From free food to even subsidized vaccines, they're offering all possible help to those who are underprivileged. Here's a ground report.
At this community college in Bengaluru, people are waiting for their turn to get COVID jabs. They will not be paying the full amount that hospitals charge for the vaccine. The Jain International Trade Organization, an NGO, has subsidized the rates.
This vaccination drive we have started about a week back, and daily we are giving 200, 300 vaccination. Now from yesterday we were able to complete 500. Today also we are completing 500. Tomorrow also we will be completing 500. And we are able to achieve 3,100 vaccination for the youth between 18 to 44. We are taking at some Y price and we are giving at subsidized X price to the, apart from the caste and this thing, anybody can pre-register and come and take the vaccination.
At the city railway station, another NGO is busy providing food for close to 1,000 people. Daily wage workers, porters, drivers are among the beneficiaries. Some of these people are stuck in Bengaluru with no income due to the lockdown.
Day one, लॉकडाउन जब से शुरू हुआ है तब से हम पुलिस कर्मियों को, सफाई कर्मियों को और अब से पिछले सेकंड लॉकडाउन से हम रेलवे स्टेशन पे आगंतुकों आने जाने वाले यात्रियों को हम सुबह का नाश्ता प्रोवाइड करवा रहे हैं और शाम का भोजन दे रहे हैं.
At a time when the entire nation is going through turbulent times due to COVID resurgence, hundreds are putting humanity above everything. It is this spirit that will see us through the worst of the pandemic. With Nolan Pinto in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.